Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make my famous stuffing one more time. Kind of the updated version. Get our pan hot, oil in the pan, chop an onion, one whole onion, dice, work as quick as I can here. Canadian Thanksgiving is coming, so yeah, let's do some turkey stuffing. I'm famous for it. Dicing some onions. Onions are all diced up, so we're gonna throw them into the pan. Do these until they're translucent. Gonna season the onions, salt, pepper, and definitely what you're gonna need is the mild Italian sausages. You buy it at the grocery store. You can ask your butcher if he has some, or you can just use like this. Or you can also take the casings out of the mild Italian sausages, so either or. You roughly need about 3/4 of a pound or 375 grams. Onions all sauteed up. And the best thing with the stuffing is, like right now I don't have, I'm not cooking a turkey with it. This is kind of like a side dish. This will be my lunch. Normally you can put, if you have turkey drippings, you put the turkey drippings on after, but all I have is chicken stock, so that's totally fine. But when you're doing your Thanksgiving dinner, don't forget to put the turkey juices into the stuffing because that makes it all turkey-like. Very important. Onions are translucent, so I'm going to toss our mild Italian pork sausage in. Saute that up. And definitely expect some side dishes. I'll have quite a few shorts coming up, so look forward to that. Make sure you season as you go, so a bit more pepper, salt, thyme in there. And if you buy the poultry mix, it has rosemary, sage, and thyme, and that's perfect for your stuffing. I only have thyme, so I'm just going to put thyme. So if you only have thyme, you can do thyme, or you can use the best one to use is definitely the poultry mix. A couple cloves of garlic, or 1,000. Get that all mixed up. Smelling good. Yes, and let's talk about chicken stock. But it's definitely better for flavor if you make your own stock. If you don't make your own, you can use a low sodium. This one is actually no salt added, and you can add your seasoning kind of as you go, and that's the one I picked today to show you. Go for the low sodium or no salt added, and you can add your own seasoning. Very important, or you'll have a stuffing that's too salty if you use the regular chicken stock that you buy in the store. Little tip. Now, toss everything into a bigger pot. Toss that on there. Onion powder, Italian seasoning, thing of breadcrumbs, which is 12 ounces or 340 grams, a bag of coarse crumbs. And we'll toss some mushrooms in there, sliced button mushrooms. Wild mushrooms, you can rehydrate them and put those into your stuffing. Even more better. Or chicken stock in now. I'd say usually about a half of one of these is perfect for your stuffing. Toss that in there. Then we'll adjust seasoning as we go here. But you don't want to put too much, so you just kind of a little bit at a time and see. And slowly the breadcrumbs will absorb the water. Always season as you go. Some more onion powder, Italian seasoning, pepper. So yeah, I probably need more salt. That's a bit of more stock. That should be good. That's almost about a half. It's pretty much done. Check seasoning. Touch of pepper. And that's how easy it is to make a stuffing for your Thanksgiving. So give it a try, right? Turkey stuffing. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And we'll see you in the next one. And thanks for watching.